Hi and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me. It's just going to be a quick video. I wanted to just nip on and show you this completed altered file folder that I was working on, plus of a few things that I want to show you that I'm going to be listing on Etsy tomorrow. So first I'll show you the altered file folder. So the kit is from Nikki at Musings by Nikki. She's on YouTube as Nikki Adegun. So it flaps over like this. This is just an envelope what I've attached, and there's a little notebook here, a little tab on it, and then that's the front of it, where I've Mod Podged this over the top of ripped up book pages. So pull this out and there's journal card there, and then in the side, yeah, get hold of it, there's another journal card. This one's been sewn round or been back with like manila file folder. Then you open it up like that. This is a big envelope that I attached to it, and then this, I think it's a triple pocket. There's one at the back as well, which I've not put anything in because I didn't want it to hide the specimen label. So there's a couple of coin envelopes. They're both from Nikki's kit. Don't think there's anything in them now. And then a couple of mushroom cards. Some of these, I love these. These actually come bigger. I've shrunk them down. So that's that, and that's the actual pocket. So there's one there, one there, and one there. I've got a label there by Tracy Fox and a little collage. And then in the side here, it's another big tag. Can't remember who that's from or what kit that is from. It's like half of a page. So then that opens out, and we've got this giant tag, and I've covered it with paper from the kit, and then I've done this small little dangle with an acorn and leaf on there. I like how that's turned out. That's a Tim Holtz. These two are from his field notes. And then this is just a page stuck down. We can make some notes on. There's a little pocket here with a library card. This is from the kit. Then a pocket here with these are from Nikki's Grungy file folders. You get lots of different ones, all different sizes. Then there's just another record card, a couple of pieces of notes and observation paper, just stamped it there, and a little tag there. And then it's a rusty paper clip from Tim Holtz, so that just goes in there. And then on this side, you'll have seen me make some of these in the colour challenge that I did, the brown one. So that opens up, and you've got this tag. I think that's from Artymaze. Can't remember where that's from. I don't know if that's from Nikki's kit or not. And then I've backed that with, that's a piece from the Tim Holtz Field Notes collection. So that's that. And then in the back, pull out a little traveller's notebook. Kept it blank inside This pocket at the front, a few little tags and journal cards, just some coffee stain paper. It's actually tea stain paper. I think that's the red bush tea that I did. And then the lighter stuffs when I did it with a fruit tea. And then there's a pocket at the back, again with some journal cards. And then that just fits in the back, just there. But I've left it blank because it had bulge it out too much. And then that's the back of it there. I just put different labels from Tracy Fox, and that's where I Mod Podge all the book pages. So that is that. So I'm really happy with it. I've got loads of pieces left, so I will definitely be doing a few more altered file folders. So people who's got me on Instagram will have probably have seen these. These was inspired from Junior to Willow Bound Journals. She's been doing quite a lot of different projects with the glassine bags. And I've been wanting to do a project without inking and with it being quite light and fresh. So when I saw this project, I thought, oh, that's ideal. And I'll do something, you know, quite springy. So I found this beautiful kit from I'm guessing they're a new shop, chapter 1. I will put all the links, everybody who I've mentioned, in the description box. So I think the kit's called in the Garden, but it's absolutely fabulous. And I have said, are you making a number 2 kit? And apparently they are, so I'm really excited. So I'll just show you one of these. So you get a couple of tags inside, journal cards, of little tags from the kit. So fresh and clean looking. And then a jumbo tag. Then this is from Romantica Arts. She's done the stationery set, and there's just a piece of stationery paper in the back. And then I've just made these little glassine notebooks, just a book page on the front, sewed them down, and I've put white pages in to go with that. And then there's obviously your little pocket at the back. So there'll be 4 of those going up in the shop. But yeah, can't wait to use this kit again. It was very different, not inking. Yeah, really like it. I enjoyed the change. So that's that. And then I did a gardening theme a few months ago, so I was just you know, going through all my things, and so I've made these little sets up. So inside there's a big pocket vellum, and then it's absolutely jam-packed with tea cards, stamps, coin envelopes, all, you know, bits of embellishments, butterflies from all different kits. Probably about 6 different kits. So that's that. And then there's a couple of tags, big seed envelope. I think there's 2 of those. No, just that one. And then little file folder. So yeah, they're great sets for anybody who's doing garden themed things. So I've got 4 of those. And then I've made quite a few little bits and bobs. I was just really going through because I'm wanting to start new things, and so I was just going through all the things that I'd printed and stuff. So I've made some little snippets, and I'm trying to think. I think I got this idea from Tina from Shabbydabbydoodah. So it was just going, you know, using your tickets up. Come out really, really cute. I think I've got six packs of these. They'll obviously just go as one listing, and a random one will be sent out. I'll just show you another one. Just they are, you know, quite similar. It's all butterflies and florals. So that's those. So I enjoyed making those, and it did clear some of my tin up. So there'll be 6 of those going in. Then I've got 2 of these clusters. I've got these dies, like film strip. So I've shrunk the little photos and put them in. I think they've come out really, really nice. This is that lovely paper that I showed you a few weeks ago, the wrapping paper, what I bought. So yeah, I've just got two of those ones. And then I've got 3 Edith Holden mixed things. They've all got the same, you know, kind of things. So there's envelopes, tags, pockets, tags, postcards, lots of pockets, you know, just bits, bobs, some note paper, little scrappy tag with the Edith Holden on the top, some tall envelopes, and then some little like file dividers, and then just half a book page. So I've got 3 of those sets. What else? Yeah, I'd printed a load of things off on vellum. I did have one of these sets in my shop a couple of months ago. So I've got 3 of these sets. They're all creams and all got the vellum digitals inside. All been backed. So that's them. So yeah, there's 3 of those. And then I've got some other sets which are a bit random, but like 2 in this. It's a beautiful bluey grey colour, really nice. So yeah, I've just got 2 sets of those, and then I've got a couple of sets what's just got two things in, and they've been tea stained. And then I've done some smaller ones. These are just little slides. So that is that. So that's me for today. I just really wanted to come back and show you the altered file folder and let you know that it will be going up in my Etsy tomorrow, along with all these goodies. So I think I've about done all my unfinished bits and bobs, but I do keep adding to the list. It seems to be a never-ending to-do list, but I'm keen to start moving on with some new projects. Next week I will be back, and I'm going to do the purple in the colour challenge and the pink, because I need to get caught up with those. So thanks a lot for joining me. Just a short sweet one for today. Hope everybody's keeping well and keeping amused and busy and things. I think slowly things seem to be getting back to some kind of normality, but yeah. So thanks for joining me. Speak soon. Bye.